What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Is It Rigged? Today we got something a little bit different for the channel. I want to give back to the DIY community. Yet I'm a new channel and I've been trying to help out as much as I can, trying to find some content to publish, and I'm learning. But what I want to do is I want to give away a product to help out the DIY community. I have two new Zanflare C4s. I want to do a drawing once we hit 525 subscribers, and I will do that drawing live. It'll be a randomized pick. Now, in stating that, that'll be, well, let's say 30 days. We'll give it 30 days. If we hit that goal before the 30 days, and we go, say, 750, 800, or 1,000, I want to give away something else. I've partnered up with Terry at Power2Spare, and I was talking with him and say, Terry, can I give away these battery packs if I pay for them? He said, absolutely. Now, these are the Raven battery packs that I got a review that's coming up for. I want to give away one order, which is 33 of these battery packs, which is 99 batteries. These are 2650 batteries, and they range in capacity from 3,000 to 3,400, maybe 3,500. I've seen Average Joe just did a review on them, by the way, and I think he had some around 3,600 mAh. But in saying, Power2Spare has sent these battery packs out to third-party testers and YouTuber and DIYer Average Joe. So, in saying, once we hit 750 subscribers within that 30 days, I'll give away one order of these. These will ship directly from Power2Spare. So make sure you like, subscribe, and maybe we can give away some Zanflare battery chargers and some batteries. Alright guys, thank you. Share this all around. Get it all into the forums, Facebook, wherever you want to share it to. Let's reach that goal. Let me give away some more. If we reach more than 1,000 subscribers, I may do another video and give away some more items. I just want to help the community out as much as I can, and it also helps me out getting more subscribers on the channel. I do appreciate it. You guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one.